Forget everything you thought you knew about FPV drones. We are standing at the edge of an absolute revolution that is about to change the way we capture the world from the sky forever. Welcome to Tap Tech, where we dive deep into the absolute future of gadgets. Today we aren't just talking about a minor upgrade or a simple iteration. We are talking about the DJI Avata 364 months. The rumors have been swirling in the shadows of the tech world, but now the leaks are practically a flood. We are seeing official filings, leaked retail boxes, and prototype images that confirm one specific thing: DJI is about to make the invisible drone a reality. If you have ever wanted to fly like a bird, but capture footage like a high-budget Hollywood blockbuster without ever worrying about where the camera is pointing, you need to see this. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly why this drone might make the Avata 2 look like an ancient toy. The drone industry has been relatively quiet since the release of the Avata 2. But as they say, the silence is always the calm before the storm. That storm's name is the Avata 364 years. Professional FPV pilots have been forced to zip-tie 360 cameras to the top of their quads to get that unique third-person video game look. It was clunky, it ruined the aerodynamics, it destroyed your flight times, and it was a nightmare to balance. DJI watched the community, they waited, and now they have built a dedicated machine to do it better than anyone else. The Avata 360 isn't just an Avata 3. It is a completely new category of aerial vehicle. Let's talk about the hardware that is leaking everywhere right now. The core of this beast is a radical dual-lens system. Unlike the single-lens Avata 2, leaked images show high-quality lenses on both the top and the bottom, or in a very unique split-body design. This allows for real-time, seamless stitching of 8,000 footage. Imagine flying through a tight gap, and in post-production, you can look left, right, up, or even back at yourself, with the drone itself being completely invisible in the shot. This is the God mode of cinematography. But wait, it gets even more impressive. Rumors suggest these aren't just tiny sensors. We are looking at dual 1.1-inch CMOS sensors. To put that in perspective, that is almost a full 1-inch sensor on both sides. This means low-light performance that will absolutely crush anything else in the Cinewhoop category. Whether you are flying through a dark, moody warehouse or catching a vibrant sunset over the coastline, the dynamic range here is expected to be professional grade. We are talking 8,000 resolution at 60 frames per second, allowing you to crop in anywhere and still have a crisp native 4K image for your final export. Design is a radical departure from anything we have seen before. The leaked prototype shows a rotating camera housing. This is a feature we have not even seen on expensive custom competitors. This mechanism would allow the Avata 360 to switch between a traditional forward-facing FPV mode for high-speed racing and a full 360-degree capture mode for creative cinematic shots. It is like having two separate drones in one airframe. The body itself retains that rugged, ducted Cinewhoop look we love, but it has been significantly refined. Those bright orange bumper rings are gone, replaced by a sleek aerodynamic frame with a new 4-blade propeller design. These aren't just for looks. They're designed for massive thrust and, more importantly, a much quieter flight profile. If you have ever flown the original Avata, you know it sounds like a swarm of very angry bees. The 360 aims to be the silent hunter of the sky, allowing you to film in public spaces without drawing nearly as much unwanted attention. Safety is another area where DJI is pushing the limits of what is possible. Official filings point to a massive array of sensors. We aren't just talking about simple downward vision anymore. We are seeing hints of LiDAR units and side-facing sensors, providing nearly 360-degree obstacle avoidance even in complex environments. This opens the door for something the FPV world has been dreaming of: true AI-powered subject tracking in an FPV platform. Imagine a drone that can follow a mountain biker through a dense forest, dodging trees autonomously while capturing a full spherical view of the action. You don't just record the ride, you record the entire environment, every branch, every shadow, and every movement around the subject. One of the most exciting details for the professionals is the controller compatibility. Leaked Fly More combo boxes show the DJI RC 2-1 with the built-in high brightness screen packaged right in the box. This suggests DJI is moving away from forcing the motion controller on every single user. While the motion controller is great for beginners, the RC2 offers the precise stick control that seasoned pilots crave for technical maneuvers. And yes, it will be fully compatible with the Goggles 3, likely using an updated O4 Plus transmission system for even lower latency and higher byte rates, which is essential when you are processing 360 degrees of data in real dash time now. Let's talk about the investment. This is where the leaks get really interesting. Recent reports from international retail databases suggest a very aggressive pricing strategy. The base drone is rumored to start around $489 in the US market. However, the real value is in the Fly More combo, which includes the RC2-3 high-capacity batteries, and the intelligent charging hub, expected to sit right around $999. This puts it head-to-head with the current Avata 2, but with significantly more advanced technology packed inside. The battery life is also seeing a noticeable bump. Official documents list a 38.67 watt-hour battery, which is a step up from previous generations. We are looking at estimated flight times of 23 to 25 minutes. While that might not sound like much to Mavic users, in the world of high-performance FPV and intensive 360-degree processing, that is an absolute eternity. But why should you actually care about 360-degree video? Is it just a passing gimmick? Absolutely not. For content creators, this is the ultimate safety net. How many times have you flown a perfect line, only to realize the subject moved out of the frame, or you missed the peak of the action because the camera was tilted too low? The Avata 360, that problem completely disappears. You record everything in every direction, and you essentially refilm the shot later in your editing software. You can create vertical clips for TikTok, widescreen for YouTube, and immersive VR content all from the exact same flight. It is the most efficient way to create multi-platform content ever designed. The DJI Avata 360 represents a fundamental shift in philosophy. It is no longer just about flying a camera. It is about capturing a moment from every possible angle simultaneously. It bridges the gap between the high adrenaline world of FPV and the high production world of professional cinematography. These specs hold true, and given the quality of the recent leaks and the timing of the filings, they almost certainly will. This will be the drone to beat for the foreseeable future. We are standing at the threshold of a new era where the drone itself becomes invisible, leaving only the story and the scenery behind. The logistics of shipping and global availability are also coming into focus. All signs point to a major launch within the first quarter of the year. The necessary regulatory approvals already secured. DJI is likely waiting for the perfect global stage to drop this before the spring content creation season kicks off. We are expecting an official announcement very soon. This drone isn't just an upgrade, it is a declaration that the sky has no blind spots. Thank you for sticking with us through this deep dive into the future of flight. Here on TapTech, we put a lot of work into verifying these leaks and cross-referencing global databases to bring you the most authentic look at what is coming next. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest tech, do us a huge favor: hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you these exclusive previews and deep dive analyses. We want to hear from you in the comments. Is a built-in 360-degree camera a total game changer for your workflow, or are you sticking with your standard FPV setup? Let's get the conversation started below and see what the community thinks about this shift in drone technology. We will see you in the next one, but until then, keep looking up and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can create.